How to spot support and resistance level. Gusto mo mang malaman kung ano ang mga sikreto ng mga profitable stock trader at stock investor. So guys, yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Pero kung bago ka sa channel ko, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and hit mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga bidyong ina-upload ko about stock market, investing, at personal finance. So guys, let's do it! So kung gusto mong malaman kung kailan ka dapat pumili at kung kailan ka dapat magbenta, isang pinakasimpleng paraan ay ma-identify mo ang support and resistance. Pero bago yun, ano nga ba ang support and resistance? Support and resistance is the area where price has rejected in the past and it can be your reference in the future. So, ibig sabihin, yung support is a place where a lot of trader realize that the price is low and it was rejected na bumaba pa sa price na yon. So, buyers or traders, investors start buying. Once they hit the support, traders start buying. Ganon din naman, kapag na-reach nila yung resistance, people think, yung mga traders and investors think that that price is too high and it was rejected na tumaas pa. So, traders and investors start selling. So, yun yung mga place na kung saan sila magbibenta. So, ano nga ba ulit ang support and resistance? Is the area or zone kung saan ang point na to ay identify and can serve as an entry and exit point. Kaya mahalaga na malaman mo to because knowing this, it is a possible trade opportunity for you arise kapag nakita mo yung support and resistance level. So, pag-usapan natin. Pero bago mo malaman kung ano yung support and resistance, let's have a brief description or ano ba yung mga checklist para ma-identify mo yung support and resistance. So, una, kailangan meron siyang swing high at swing low or swing high and swing low. Kapag swing high, ito yung tinatawag na resistance. At this point, yung price action masyadong mataas and the stock is trying to exceed, no? Gusto niya pang tumaas pero it was rejected. So, bumababa na siya. After it was rejected, unti-unti siyang bumababa. So, swing low naman, ito naman yung place or zone where the stocks is too low at gusto niya pang magbumaba but the sellers, the trader, the investor said, oops, masyado ng mura to. And then, investors came in at nagbumibili na sila. So, yun yung sinatawag na swing high and swing low. Another characteristic yung multiple rejection. So, the support, bago mo masabing may support and resistance ka, at least 2 rejection or more. The more rejection it happens, the more convincing na mayroon kang support and resistance at that particular level. So, dahil nga masyado nang mataas at gusto pang tumaas, nire-reject siya ng market. And then, kapag masyado na siyang mababa at gusto pa bumaba, that's the support. And nire-reject siya ng market. People come in. Sa pangatlong characteristic, dapat obvious siya. Very easy to spot. Madali mo siya dapat siyang makita. So, hindi siya mahirap. Very obvious na may reaction on that level. At pang-apat, dapat reaction happens after the rejection. So, meron siyang price and then kapag na-hit niyo yung support and resistance, may reaction nangyari. And pang-lima, the zone was respected. Ibig sabihin, kapag na-hit niyo yung level na yun, unti-unti siyang bumaba. So, pang-anim is, ito yung act as a support and soon as a resistance. So, minsan, yung support nagiging resistance at yung resistance nagiging support. So guys, tignan natin, no? Make note na yung 6 na characteristic na yun, hindi niya naman kailangan makita sa iisang stocks lang. Kailangan meron siyang at least dalawa doon sa mga characteristic na yun para masabi mong, oops, maganda tong support na resistance level na to. At ito ang dapat mong bantayan. So, let's see sa mga chart na to kung meron nga ba tayong makikitang support and resistance. Again, to make it clear, support act as a floor. Ito yung pinaka-floor as a price of a stock rejected to push lower. So parang that particular point, gusto niya bumaba pero nire-reject niya. At the opposite naman o kabaliktaran naman, vice versa, yung resistance naman act of a ceiling which price of a stock preventing to push higher. So gusto niya tumaas pero nga as a rejection happen. So let's see this stock. So if you notice in this chart, meron bang swing high and swing low? So if you will notice at this area, meron tayong swing high at may tayong swing low. That's the first characteristic. And then pangalawa, tignan nga natin kung meron bang multiple rejection na nangyari. So you see in this place, after they hit the support and resistance, bumababa. Once na-hit niya yung resistance, bumababa ang market, bumababa ang stock. So that's reaction. That's the rejection. Pangatlo, obvious ba na mayroong support and resistance? Madali mo bang may spot? So look at this by visual inspection, makikita mo at this level, every time na-hit niya, hindi siya natutuloy. So, very obvious, madali mo siya makita. Again, pang-apat, reaction happens. There's a drastic reaction. Look at this level. Kapag ba na-hit niya, tignan mo yung reaction. So there's an reaction happen. And then, look at this. Act as both support and resistance. At this level, eto yung dati niya support. Now, eto na yung resistance niya. At ganun din, eto yung dati niya resistance. Ngayon, siya na yung strong support niya. And so, guys, ganun mo titignan ang support and resistance. And why you need to know this multiple rejection? O bakit mahalagang malaman mo may multiple rejection? Kasi in this, more convincing para sa iyo na ito ay strong resistance. No? And it shows that the traders took action at the same point, at the zone with a different time zone o different time. So sa iba't ibang panahon, iba't ibang pero same level siya. And ano ang kahalagahan ng support and resistance? Guys, support and resistance, every time the support was hit, tapos nag-bounce, a lot of traders, the market convinced that this is the support, people buy. Because they know, once the support was rejected, it will bounce back. Ganun naman ang ginagawa ng iba. Ganun din kapag sa resistance na tumatama. When people hit that resistance at na-reject, people start selling. So guys, imagine those areas sa vlog na tinuro ko sa'yo, those videos using candlestick, kung paano mo mabasa candlestick. Now the support and resistance, it will be a big help for you start trading the market. And kung mga iba't ibang indicator like moving averages, Fibonacci, all of those moving averages and indicator, the basic foundation of that one is the support and resistance. So support and resistance alone, if you master this tool, if you identify the support and resistance, you will convince na this is the best place where I can buy and this is the best place where I can sell. Siyempre, dapat alamin mo pa din yung fundamentals na isang stock. So, again, watch all my previous videos about fundamentals, how to read the EPS, how to read the PE ratio. So, nandiyan lang yan I try to put it in the link below para mabalikan mo review din. And guys, once again, this is Bern nagsasabing, bawat Pilipino may kakayahang umasenso. At kung may mga tanong kayo, comment, write down. Kung may gusto kayong pag-usapan natin about personal finance, investing, at kung ano-ano pa, comment lang. At kung may comment ka at gusto mong na malaman, just put your comment, thumbs up, likes, and try natin pag-usapan yung mga comment ng mga topic na gusto mong malaman. And again, huwag mo kalilimutan, hit the like button, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. At kung nag-enjoy ka, share mo sa mga kaibigan mo so they will also learn. So guys, God bless.